Here I have Renault Captur and let me show you how to use guest profile on the following car. So basically, if you are using the Renault Infotainment system and you would like to turn on the guest profile, you need to follow these steps. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's choose the apps icon. From the top of the screen, you need to tap the apps icon, then scroll down until you see the settings, select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down to select profiles and accounts. As you can see from profiles and accounts, you can use this three dots button in the upper right corner. If you tap it, you can select here guest profile. Right now, the car is loading the guest profile. The guest profile is intended for temporary use. Some functions are limited. You have to be aware of this. Tap OK. Let me tap later. Let me turn on the vehicle location. Turn on. All right. Basically, you can just use your car with the guest mode, with the guest profile. If you would like to switch back to the admin profile, let's just use the apps icon again, scroll down, choose the settings, and from the following view, choose profiles and accounts. And here you can switch from guest to admin. Let me do it. And that's it. You are back in your admin account, so you can just use your car as usual. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.